Hey everyone, this is Jacy from Zhanjiang Weida Machinery. Today, let me walk you through our rubber production line. From the materials feeding into the tunnel drying oven to the dried rubber coming out. The feeding device can fill a 28 grid drying cart in about 310 seconds. Then it enters the tunnel oven, using a low temperature circulation mode at no more than 110 C for baking. The output rubber is golden and transparent, without raw cores or white spots, and all indicators perfectly meet the standards. The key is a well-designed front wet line and an optimized drying oven ensures the best processing effect of the entire production line. Our production line is designed with a one-stage granulation process, slab cutter, single helix breaking, crushing and cleaning, machine, creper, shredder. This design avoids excessive crushing of raw materials while maintaining all performance indicators of the rubber. When the front end rubber processing is excellent, the drying oven will yield more beautiful rubber, making subsequent operations easier. We configure different production solutions for customers, based on their factory site, output, etc. Welcome to consult at any time for free equipment upgrading plans.